audible to you, please let in the chat box. So I will start the session. Okay, thank you so much. And we have selected. In the previous class, if any doubt, you can ask in the chat box. Okay, okay. So yesterday we are finished all this like dynamic selector and child selector, descent selector, adjacent sibling selector, general selector, and like the basic selector is ID selector, type selector, and class selector also. And we have done pseudo element selector also. Okay, so now we are discussing structural pseudo class selector. Okay, first child, last child, and nth child. Okay, before that we are not like complete the before and after. I will show you what is before and what is after. Then I will show you like first child and last child and nth child, how we are applying in the css. Okay, wait, yeah. Okay, so in that, if I write something, okay, uh it's hashed like css. Okay, so before that I want some content like welcome to, okay, cascading style sheet. Okay, so how we write by using after and select, like after and before pseudo element selector. Let's see, we have using span. Okay, in that, before I need the content welcome, welcome. Okay, if I open the HTML with live server, let's see what happened. Wait. Have you observed that one? It's welcome is in that fast we write like inside the span CSS. But if you want to add some content before that, so by using before selector like pseudo element selector, we can do that. If you want to add something after CSS, so by using after pseudo element selector, we can do that. Let's see how. If I write span after in that content, okay, so welcome to CSS as well as HTML. Okay, it's coming now. If you want like space in between that, like welcome and CSS, you want any space, then you have to give a space in the in between, like after that welcome and before that. So it will be according to that. It will be help you giving the space in between that. It's okay. So this one we are using like after, sorry, before pseudo element selector, and after we are using as well as HTML. Okay, so by using that we can do that. And how like other what about other, how we are like doing before and after when we can use that one. Let's see how. If I write inside like ul, inside if I write like home, wait, home, and like li inside it contacts, and we have register, and we have blog, wait, blog. And so every of the like li I want to convert in that like navbar. Okay, so how, let's see. I will do one things ul and li. In that I need display flex. So not affected. Okay, wait, I already using li before, not no. Okay, then why it's applying that home color. Okay, I will see that one at first, then I will show you. Okay, I will remove all these things, then I will designing a new one. I will show you that one. Wait, yeah. Then next we have, yeah, it's applying also display flex. UL we are applying before. Okay, if I using UL, let's see what happen. Display flex. Okay, it's happening now, and that one line. Okay, but where that color is coming, I will see that one at first, then I will show you. Yeah, it's list li fast child, that's why it's coming like a background. Okay, if I remove that one, it not apply any color in between that. So in that we have fast child. Okay, I will remove that one. Okay, done. Next I will do one things. I will remove all that like list item. Okay, so by using uh, list type, you have to write none inside that. So I don't want to apply any of that particular like list item. Okay, done. Next we want to like margin I want. So in that I need li margin, margin left, right. Okay, right I will give that one. It's 5 pixel. Okay, done. So every of that particular like neighbor, its home, blog, and like register and contact. In between that, I want after that every list item, I want a like particular special character. It's slash or like at the dot, whatever you want, you have to give inside that by using the like after and before. Let's see how. I need after. If I write after inside content, in that you have to write applying in the every list item after like every list after that every list item it apply slash. If you want before on that, so you can also apply lie it's before. In that need content, inside that I will written at the rut. Let's see, it will be everything on that. Okay, so we are using like before and like after by using this one. Okay, I hope you understand. Next we have to go like first child and last child whatever. Then what is the use of flex? Vijay, flex we are using for like designing the responsive designing. Okay. Uh, Tomorrow, I think tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I will show you what is flex and how we are designing the flex. Okay. It's time to like learn selector. Then we have to go color whatever color properties we have there regarding like background color gradient, linear gradient, and radial gradient. All these things we are learned today, and unit also we are finished today. Then in the after tomorrow or like tomorrow or day after tomorrow we are discussing flexbox. And you have to you need to understand the flex. Then you have to idea that what is flex and where we are using the flex option. And we have like in the flex flex box we have many like properties are there. By using the property we can do that any website responsive designing by without using the media query and without using the grid box. Sorry.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So next we have to discuss like structure pseudo class selector. It's first child, last child, and nth child. Okay. So what is that? Let's see. So in that I have to designing. Yeah. So we are designing list item. In the list item, I want to apply the particular first child and last child also. Okay, let's see how. First child, in that I need like color. It's text color. I need green. Okay. Then next we have last child. We have last child option is there. Last child. Okay. In that we are applying color also. It's like any of the color you want. I will apply red. Okay. So let's see how it's work. Have you observed that one? This is the first child and this is the last child, and it not applying like every list item. It only apply the first child of the parent element and the last child of the like last child of parent element. Okay. If you want like particular like like third one or second one you want to designing as well, so by using nth child you can do that. Let's see how. Like uh, nth child, it's like if I write 3 inside that. Okay. A third list item, in that if I write color, in that color if I write blue violet. Let's see what happens. Did you have that one? It's applying. If I write inside that n child, it's 2, it applying the second number of list item. Okay. Then so next one we have universal selector. What is universal selector? Means whatever you want, the whole like whole page. If you want to designing the whole page like font size, font color, you want to apply all element of that particular page, then you have to use universal selector. Universal selector. How it's like if I apply like background color, it's like green. It apply whole page. Have you ever that one? It's whole page. If I write like color white, it apply whatever content we are writing inside that, it will be change the color of white. Let's see. It will change the color of white. And all the color why it's not changing like log and contact, because we are customizedly we have to do all these things like all the color we are designing, that's why it's not changing. If you remove the particular like uh, first child and last child, then it apply only white color. Okay. If you any doubt, please ask me regarding like classes. Then you have to go color. Sir, how can we add icon before the word in list? Okay. I will show you how we are applying that one. Before that, if you understand like class all the selector, let in the chat box. मैंने संविधान को भी फोन किया. Have you guys understand that like all the selector? Okay, I think yeah, only one interns are active in that group. Okay, okay, I will show you that one. Like someone asking me, sir, how to add icon before the word in the list. Let's see how. If I require like home icon before that, like home list item, then how we apply? Let's see. At first, we need to be apply the font sm like file. Okay, it's link css link style sheet. Okay, I already done that. I'll copy that. Okay, it's better because we have to done all these things. It's taking time. Wait, I will copy. I already designing some. I think. Wait 2 minutes. I will find out that one. Where? Yeah, it's font SM. Link style sheet relationship. It's font CSS all. I will copy that one. Yeah. Then I need to be right inside that selector.html. Okay. Wait. So I will copy paste that one further file. You can use any CDN link also. It's content distribution network uh, file or link. Okay, whatever. So next we have to find out the particular like icon. You have to go font SM. Okay. So in that we have to go to the font SM. Then we have to find out whatever icon we want to apply on that. I will change my background to white. Then I will show you. I need home icon. Let's see what is the home icon we had there inside font SM. Okay, we have that one and we have that one. So many more are there, but I want to apply first one. Okay, so what is the class name? You have to check that one. Okay, next you have to write what are the class name we are applying inside. This fast faho. Okay, so go to that particular list item inside. You need to be write like span. Okay, it's class. You have to write class inside. It's fast fa home. Okay, what is the name of the class? Then you have to wait. What happened? Yeah, you need to be spa. I think done. Yeah, we need that one. Okay. Have you have that one? It's applying now. I will remove that particular. What is that? It's first one, universal selector. Then I will check that. Okay, it's applying now. As well as I no need that one, so I give wait 2 minutes. Wait, I will change that. Welcome. Yeah, I will remove that before and after. Then I will show you. Okay, done. If you don't want like before and after like all that special character, then you have to remove all these things. Okay. So if you require any register contact like any of the particular icon, then you have to source the icon contact then you have to go to that particular any of that icon. If I select that one, address book, then I have to see that what are the class name. It's far address book. Okay, so you can copy that file name also, clicking that particular. I need contacts, it's that one. Okay, it's span. Wait, in the span we need class. In that it's far. What is the name of that? Far address book, I think. Far address book. Okay, far address book. Yes, book. Then let's see. Address address. Okay, done. Okay, let's see. It's applying or not. It's applying. Okay, have you have that one? Okay, according to your requirement, you have to designing that. I hope you all understand how we are like doing all these things like icon applying in that navbar.
Excuse
Someone
me,
asking
sir.
me some question. Wait.
Yes, sir. अंतिम रेवा पार्टी दिस साइड। सर आपने वो जो CSS की फाइल लिंक की थी, वो आपने पहले से डाउनलोड की थी क्या फॉन्ट ऑसम के लिए?
हाँ, वो लोकल फाइल है, वहाँ पे डाउनलोड की थी मैंने, आपको बताए थे ना कैसे डाउनलोड करना है
सर
ये फाइल।
तो अगर बिना डाउनलोड किए ऑनलाइन लिंक होती है तो वो आप एक बार शो कर दीजिए,
ओके, मैं
वो
बता रहा हूँ।
कैसे लिंक करते हैं। और सर एक और डाउट है मेरा,
हाँ, बताओ।
ये जब भी मैं फॉन्ट ऑसम अपनी फाइल से लिंक करती हूँ तो पूरा विजुअल स्टूडियो का बिहेवियर ही चेंज हो जाता है मीन्स कभी कभी मार्जिन पैडिंग इधर उधर हो जाती है या फिर कभी कभी कुछ चीजें वर्क नहीं करती है, तो ऐसा कुछ स्पेशल है क्या बूटस्ट्रैप के साथ कि
आप
मीन्स अगर
रेस्पॉन्सिव डिजाइनिंग करते या नहीं करते?
नहीं, अभी मैंने सिर्फ वही किया था, फॉन्ट ऑसम ऐड किया था बस।
तो आप फॉन्ट एसएम ऐड कर रहे, बट दिक्कत क्या है कि आप मोबाइल में ओपन कर रहे, लैपटॉप में बना रहे, मोबाइल में
नहीं नहीं
ओपन कर रहे।
नहीं नहीं सर,
और
मुझे बूटस्ट्रैप आता नहीं है, सो मैंने फॉन्ट ऑसम सिर्फ लैपटॉप में ही ओपन किया और लैपटॉप में ही सारा मार्जिन पैडिंग इधर उधर हो गया फॉन्ट ऑसम ऐड करने से ही। अगर फॉन्ट ऑसम हटाती हो ना तो फिर पूरा सेम हो जाता है, मीन्स
कैसे कैसे
एक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट मिलता है। और अगर फॉन्ट ऑसम ऐड करती हूँ तो फिर पूरा अलग हो जाता है, सो ऐसा
आपने
क्यों?
सीडीएन लिंक यूज किया है और लोकली फाइल यूज किया है?
लोकल, वो जो ऑनलाइन लिंकिंग होती है ना वो।
वो वाला जो लोकली डाउनलोड करके हम लिंक करते हैं ना,
नहीं
अभी
नहीं,
जो मैं लिंक किया।
डाउनलोड करके नहीं, डाउनलोड करके नहीं।
ओके, कॉपी करके जो पेस्ट करते हैं आप, राइट?
हाँ हाँ,
ओके,
हेड
मैं बता
सेक्शन
रहा
में।
हूँ अभी। देखिए,
ओके सर।
yeah, this one is the CDN link. Use CDN figure to figure out which CDN URLs and integrity key you want to use. Make sure you have to select the web font. For example, if you want, if you were to choose all, the version is 5.10.0 Pro. Okay, so I will copy that CDN link, then I will paste inside that, removing my file, the locally file from that particular select.html file. I will uh, remove that particular file, then I paste that one. Okay, this one I will show you. Wait. Okay, this one is the CDN link. Let's see, it's working fine or not. Wait, it's working fine. Have you updated that one?
यस
अभी
सर,
देख।
बट
हाँ, बोलो।
सर मेरे इसमें जैसे यही करती हूँ ना तो सारी चीजें इधर उधर हो जाती है।
ओके, एक बार मुझे कोड सेंड कर देना, मैं देख लूंगा। ओके।
ओके सर।
Anyone have any question regarding like icon, all these things, you can ask me. I will share you like a serial link, okay, in the chat box, because anyone require like serial link, go to the chat box and copy that code. Okay, this is the whole serial link, CDN for content distribution network. Okay, So, and someone asking in that like in the 2 days before, like how we are applying a particular icon inside the box, the input box, and whatever we are using inside that. Let's see how. I will show that one also because it's like question of our interns, so it's difficult to the do that one, but I will show you. Input, it's text. Wait, it's text. Okay, it's done. So I need, if I write span, it's class first far home. Okay, in that we are there. So you have to give a ID inside that. Okay, I'll give a ID. It's my any of that name you can write. Wait, zoom that one. Okay, so what is the ID we are requiring? Any of the ID. Like if I use like box is my ID. So in that box, okay. Sorry, we have to use hearts the prefix. Then you have to use the box ID. Okay, and we are using margin right 20 pixel. Let's see where it come to that particular icon. Okay, wait, what happened? I will show you. You need to be defining a particular like position. I will show you at first. Wait, yeah, in that right. If I increase that one, okay. If I give margin right for one, let's see, margin left 10 pixel. Okay, so I need position absolute. Okay, done. I already told you that we are using a position for designing that particular. Okay, when I click that one, it's starting from that one, but I need the particular cross like cross. What is that? Yeah, someone. Whatever I write inside that, it will be start from like particular icon. So I need the padding or margin, whatever. If I give margin padding left, padding left, it is 5 pixel. What happened? It's now in that. Okay. 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 I don't want to apply inside that like in the box. I want this will be apply in that input box. Wait, I will copy that one. I'll paste inside my box ID. Then I will show you. Okay. Let's see what happens. It's working fine, but I want that whatever I write inside the box, it will be started after that icon. Okay. Wait, I will choose that. I need to give a input inside the input box. I need a ID, so it's txt name. Okay, I will copy that ID and I will paste inside the CSS by using prefix. Okay, so padding it's 5 pixel. It's given that. Okay, wait, margin. If I give margin, let's see what happens. Margin left. If I write 5 pixel, okay, wait, I'll show you. It's happening now. Where is that input? Yeah, input box. Yeah. We have margin 5 pixel. If I increase that particular, if I click that one, it's not applying. Okay. I need to be cursor will be start after that icon, right? By using placeholder, we cannot do that. Okay, margin left. If I give margin left, let's see what happens. It's margin left. Okay, it's coming inside that, right? Okay, wait. Position, uh, inheritance, is absolute, inheritance relative. Okay, I will show you that tomorrow how we are designing that particular, like starting from the cursor will be start after that icon. Okay, uh, you learn that how we are applying a particular like icon inside that input box. Okay, then I will show you like how the cursor will be start from that particular icon. Okay, because if I designing that one, it taking like 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, that's why at first we are discussing color and all this like color and unit, and you know that in the position we are discussing later. So if I discussing all these things, I will tell you like tomorrow how we designing. Then the position I will show you like what is the position we have, like relative, absolute, and we have fixed position, we have sticky position in that. So what is that and where we are using all this position. Okay. Yes, sir. I asked that. Okay. Banu, have you like understand how we are applying like icon inside the box? Okay, I will show you like how cursor will be according to your requirement. How do you move that particular cursor in that in between that, or like inside or middle of the position of that particular box, and like left side of that particular box, whatever you want. According to that, you can change. Okay, I will show you in the tomorrow how we are designing that. Okay. So next we are discussing color. So in that HTML, I already told you that how we are hexadecimal code will be designing by using like 16 value. It's 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E F. By using 16 value, we are designing the hexadecimal code. Okay, and we have 16 million color in CSS. We have 16 million color in our CSS. Okay, and few of color we are applying like in that particular color name by using like red, blue, or green, whatever you know. All this color you can apply according to your requirement. Okay, and if you want to extra color, then you have to using color picker, we can do that also. The color picker also refer the hexadecimal code and the RGB color. So I already told you that one like hexadecimal code, but I I think I don't teach you that that one is RGB. It's red, green, blue, and how that like value we are defining inside that particular background color. Let's see how. So we have RGB. It's red, green, blue. I will open the paint and I will show you. Just a minute. Wait. Just a minute. I will come back you. Thank you guys for your patience. Okay, so I'll open the paint. Okay, so RGB color. So RGB. What is RGB? It's RGB. It's red, green, blue. And what are the value we are iterating inside that? So we are taking three value. It's red and green and blue value. Okay. So it's starting from 0 to 255. Okay. If I write a blue color, then my like I need to be write RGB. Its value inside that red is 0 and blue 0 and sorry RGB. It's not V, RGB 00 and 255. So it's blue color. Okay, if I need to be write like green, then you have to write RGB. It's 0 and inside 255 0. We have green. And if you require red color, then you have to give that 255 and 0 and like 0. Okay, so the value, the whatever we are writing inside that, it will be combine all this value like red value, green value, and uh, blue value. Whatever we are writing, it will be help you like defining all these things. Let's see how. If I applying a universal using that universal selector, I will apply background color. In that, if I write RGB, in that we have a red, green, blue. So if I write it's 0 and 0, it's 245. Have you have that one blue color, it will be defined inside that, it will form. Okay, if I write uh 50, then it will be combined with the color. Okay, wait, if I write 90, okay, it will be combined. If I write inside that uh, green color, whatever like 460, then it will be form a color. Okay, okay, done. So this one is the RGB color. We have hexadecimal color. I already told you that one. What is RGBA? Have you of that one? It's when I write down that RGB, it's coming RGBA. What is that RGBA? It's alpha. Red, green, blue, alpha. What is the alpha? Alpha is a of key. Of key means what is that? If you want to require transparency in that particular color, then you have to write. Let's see how. If I give like 0 and in that 0 it's like 255 5, and the alpha if I write 0.1 or something, have you of that one, it's color changing. Okay, and it will be little transparency. Okay, it will be help you in the transparency form. Okay, if I change the color in that like black, then it will be in that like transparency. If I remove that alpha, let's see what happened. Wait, I will need to be 777. Okay, done. When I use like alpha 0.1, it will be little transparency. Okay, when you need like a transparency in the color, then you have to use alpha inside that. Okay, done. I hope you understand. Then you have to go whatever like how we are designing the particular radial gradient and linear gradient. Okay, wait. So we are discussing gradient, css gradient. What is that? Css gradients. Okay, so gradients allow multiple color and they transition. Means if you want to, that color will be left to right, or like right to left, whatever you want, then you have to, by using that linear gradient and radial gradient, you can do that. And we have basically linear gradient, linear gradients. And what is the direction of that? Direction is left, right, and we have up, down, up, down. Okay, and we have radial gradient. Radial gradient. So it's starting from the center, from center. Okay, so let's see how it's work. If I using background color inside that, like universal selector, by using universal selector, if I designing linear gradient, wait, background image is required. But if you write any gradient color, then you have to write in the property background image. Okay? Then you have to write linear gradient inside that. It's red, and like you can apply any hexadecimal code inside that, and RGB color also. Okay, according to your need. If I write black, okay. So let's see how it's look. If you have that one, it's starting from top to bottom. Okay. If you want to apply some color inside that, according to your requirement, but how many color you can apply, as much as you can. Okay, it's blue. Okay, all color will be applied inside there. If you require like the color will be in that like right or left, then you have to need to be right, to right. Wait for different. It's not applying. Wait, I will check that one. What happened? Yeah. We need to be applying the fast, the to right, I think. Wait, I will check that one. To right. Yeah, it's applying. Okay. Whatever you are writing inside, like left, right, whatever, then you have to write inside the fast. Then whatever color you need, you have to give that. Okay. If I write left, be applying left side. Okay. If I write off, and like off, bottom, whatever. If I write bottom, EOTTOM, bottom. Okay, it's starting from bottom. Okay, done. Next we have bottom top, bottom left, bottom right, but top left we have there. Off, left. Okay, it's starting from top left. If you require bottom right, top right, you can write top right also. Okay, and we have bottom right, bottom right. Okay, it's changing the color. And if I write bottom left also, it happening. Okay, sorry, it's bottom left. Let's see, bottom left. Okay, I not require any inside that. Okay, done. Next we have to discuss radial gradient. What is that? Let's see. I need to remove all the color. It's linear gradient, then I will apply radial gradient. Radial gradient. Inside that, whatever color you want, you have to write yellow and like pink, and we have white. Okay, it's starting from center. If you write any degree, whatever degree you want, then you have to write inside that the first. It's if I write 60 degree or 90 degree, whatever degree. Okay, it's like 70 degree or like 90 degree, 180 degree. If I write, I think it's space required or not. Not applying. Right. Wait, I will check that one. 60 degree. Okay. If I write 60 degree, it's not working. Okay. What are the mistake we are done? I will remove the white and let's see that one happening or not. The content also not coming. Why? Okay. Radial gradient P inside that if I write 60 degree, red, it's green. In that I need semicolon, semicolon or semicolon. Sorry, it's not applying. If I remove that one, that particular content will be so or not. What happening in that? It's not showing the content also. Wait, it's applying. Okay, 60 degree. If I applying last at the last, then what happen? Let's see. 60 degree. Wait, 60 degree. Okay, it's not applying. Okay, I will check that one. What are the error we are facing in that? Okay, I will let you know in that tomorrow. So if you any doubt regarding color, then you can ask me. Tomorrow we are discussing that like degree in that how we are applying degree particularly in radial gradient. Then we are discussing unit. What are the unit, absolute unit and relative unit in the CSS? Then you go you are learn that flexbox. Okay, how we're designing like responsive designing, all these things. Then we are designing like 2D 3D, all these things we are discussing in that particular like week. Okay, in this week we finish like CSS, then tomorrow, like next week we are learn JavaScript. Okay, any doubt regarding, you can ask me. Okay, what about other? Okay, I will assign you like yesterday assignment. Have you done that one? Please let me know chat box. Half or other also half, almost done. Okay, Okay. Please complete today itself. I will not assigning today assignment, any assignment. Please complete as soon as possible. I will assign you tomorrow assignment. Okay. I will not assign any assignment today. Okay. And before leaving that meet, please give your attendance in the particular chat box. Then you can leave. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for listening me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Kavita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are like written inside the chat box is two name. What is that?
He is my brother, sir.
It's like Ved Prakash Pandey is present and okay, he is a
Yes,
brother
sir,
and
present.
he is not present in the meet.
सर मेरा नेट काम नहीं कर रहा है सर फोन में।
ओके, अभी तो काम कर रहा है ना, तो आप अटेंडेंस दे
नहीं
दो।
सर, ठीक है सर, दे रहा हूँ सर।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। ऐसे कोई भी मत करना, जो भी करना बोल के करना है आपको। अगर कोई नहीं है, नेटवर्क इशू है तो बोल दो यहाँ पे कि अगर सर नेटवर्क इशू
सर
है मैं
मैंने मैसेज किया हुआ है ग्रुप में,
ओके मैं
बार
देखा
बार सर
नहीं, मैं बोल
लेफ्ट हो जा रहा था।
Okay, sir.
ओके थैंक यू सो मच, बाय।
Thank you, sir.